Hi to everybody! Today it's third day and we should start to assembling stairs in this corner. As you can see, I need to use a bit sandpaper and clean up these lines and place additional final layer of filler. And in the best, if I can even paint at least where stairs will be. And only after I can start to assembling stairs here in this corner, but I hope today I will start. And I place here steps and side beams, and now I will try to figure out how to make this final layer surface smooth and nice. I have circular sander, my brother. I have something like this, and I have machine like this, which I will not use probably. Actually, I bought it myself when I was 13 or 14 something. Yeah, you can imagine what must thinking teenager if it's 13-year-old and he's spending money to buy that kind of tool. I think I will combine of two of them. I think these stairs really will be like massive wood stairs, literally. We have made mass of final filler. We are going inside and finishing the works on the walls. As much as possible I try to clean up them, that they look nice. Of course they look anyway terrible. And just two beams, some two steps probably I will move inside. I need to make first step. In each side of side beams I will screw, and over this I will screw step. What do you think? From this corner it will goes up. I will make some additional wooden structure.